Hi, in this video I'm gonna review. This is my review video. So we have here is a mechanic needle tube handspike with aluminum alloy P09. So I'm gonna review this. It's actually an aluminum needle tube handspike. It's for using for the solder paste. So basically it's just like a push through the solder paste to our PCB board. And another is the solder paste itself is a real life 183 degrees Celsius RL-403 sunshine tools solder paste. So this is solder paste 180 degree means the higher lower melting point. Ingredient is the flux thin warranty 2 years, production C packages spray code and so on. So you can scan the QR to see more in the details. I leave it here. So what I do is actually I combine mechanic brand with the Relife brand. So for the mechanic brand, I will be using as the needle, what they call handspike, needle tube handspike for the roller paste. And yeah, let's go to the bench and we test it out, see how it just works. And I give kind of overview how is it. I think so far should be good. Okay, now I'm at the workbench. What I want to do is I have AMS 117 I'm gonna put it up on this PCB board here using the hot air and the new our real life and combination of mechanics for our what they call handspike, aluminum handspike. Yeah, what is this the term called needle tube handspike? Yeah, needle tube handspike at here. So I make sure I not use a lot because the quantity also not much, I would say. So I have to use wisely, and also make sure I using because I pay. I think this real life is also quite little expensive, I would say. Not so expensive, it's a moderately price. And the needle tube, this is also I think it's quite good from the mechanic brand itself. And let's try it out. So make sure this part is at the bottom, and here where you push it, yeah, it should be look like this, I think. Yeah, okay. So you're gonna press it from here. Make sure you don't use a lot, just a bit of here. You push it through. Yeah, that's enough, fairly enough. Just and put it here. 1, 2, 3. So make sure it doesn't mix it up a bit. I think I slightly put a lot. Let me adjust with my knee. Each other pads. I think I put slightly a lot. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut it here. Okay. Next I'm gonna on my hot air. And I place my AMS 117. Should be here. Yeah, that's nice. Put it here first. Just gonna heat it up. Make sure the pads. I think I slightly put a lot, but I think it should work fine. The melting point should be 180. I think it should be really fast. Okay, done. I slightly burn the back of these fine because I need a handstand so it doesn't burn this. But this is how it is. It should be look. Yeah. So it's actually you can do it more, but this is just fine. Let me touch up with my soldering iron. Yeah, I need a handstand. I think I should purchase a handstand for this demonstration purpose, but I think it's fine just to see how it looks. A quick overview sort of how this real life and mechanic works. Okay, I think this should be fine. So it's almost working. And yeah, that's it, guys. A quick overview on the soldering paste itself. Touch up here a bit. Yeah, because I slightly looked a lot. Now looks cleaner a bit. That's it, guys, for this video. I think I just want to show, but I should have a stand for both of this device, so I can have a better overview how this works. But make sure you don't use a lot of this. Make sure you don't put it a lot. Try to be gentle when you pressing through the handspike. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. Actually, why I buy this is I want to solder, I would say solder hard on the very hard on the STM32 device, like for the what you call QFP package. I have this in the hand. It's easier for me to just hot A the package, the QFP package, or you can say RP2040 package as well. And yeah guys, that's it. That's the reason why I bought this, because I have to try to move on from the ESP32 Rubium 32D and try to deal with STM32 NXP MCU and so on, and much more MCU and so on. So which is dealing with the QFP package, QFN package, and so on. Yeah, so this is really come in handy when it going through all those packages. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.